In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges in Canon PIXMA TS3700 series printer. First step is to take the ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging. Remove this orange seal that was here. Same with the black ink cartridge. Remove the orange seal. Now switch on your printer. Go to the front side of the printer and open this panel. So you have to press this lock and it will open. You will see the ink chamber. Make sure the lock is pressed down. So that is the blue lock. If you press it up, it will go up, and this one is down. So both should be down. Place the black on the black side and then lift it up. Install the color. So you just have to place it here and then you have to push the lock up. Now close it. Wait for the ink cartridges to be recognized. Printer will make some sound when it's using the new ink cartridges. We can also load the paper in the paper tray. And on the display panel, press OK for the paper. And now we can start using this printer for the copy. So now we can start using it for the copy. So this way we can do the installation of the setup ink cartridges. Then we can load the paper and we can start using it. If you want to do the wireless printing and scanning, then you have to do the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. If you want to know how to do that with different devices, you can watch my videos regarding this printer. Thanks for watching.